Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge English only, nothing else. Therefore please support and guide me. Today editorial is about Tamil Nadu's did the Iron Age on Indian soil start from Tamil Nadu? Why did Chief Minister M.K. Stalin assert that the history of Indian subcontinent could no longer overlook Tamil Nadu? What did the recent report Antiquity of Iron recent radiomatic states from Tamil Nadu state? uh, Article written by R. Sai Venkatesh. The story so far. Releasing a report on the antiquity of iron, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin proclaimed that the Iron Age began on Tamil soil, placing the date 5300 odd year ago, 4th millennium BCE, and that the history of the Indian subcontinent could no longer overlook Tamil Nadu. What had research said till now? The usage of iron is one of the most important technological innovation in human history. The genesis of the iron in India has seen several explanations, including its supposed arrival with immigrants from the West. Experts and scholars around the middle of the last century trace its origins back to 700 600 BCE. However, subsequent radiocarbon dating and research push it further back. Technical studies on materials found at several places suggested that the iron smelting in India could have begun as early as the 16th century BCE. Furthermore, in the backdrop of the result of the excavations at the Uttar Pradesh 2 decades ago, former Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India, Rakesh Tiwari, had highlighted in this paper the origins of the iron working in India. New evidence from the central Ganga plain and the eastern Vindhyas that by the early 13th century BCE, iron smelting was definitely known in India on a bigger scale. Iron artifacts, furnaces, and tuyeres carbon dated between 1800 and 1000 ECA were found during the excavations conducted by the UP State Archaeological Department at Raja Nala Tila 1996-98, Malhar 1998-99, and Dadupur 1999-2001. Among other, in Malhar especially, the presence of tires, slash, and finishes iron artifacts hinted at a large scale manufacturers hint to finish iron presence of tire slag and finish the iron artifacts hinted at a large scale manufacturing of iron tool collating all the evidence. It was said that the iron smelting and manufacturing of the iron artifacts were well known in the eastern Vindhyas, and iron may have been in use in the central Ganga plain at least from the early second millennium BC. What about Tamil Nadu? As for Tamil Nadu, several excavations have been underway in 2022 before the recent report released by Mr. Stalin pushed back the antiquity of the iron. Meli Dampai in Krishnagiri district came under the limelight after the Chief Minister placed the introduction of the Iron Age at 4200 year ago, 3rd millennium BCA in the state. He cited the finding of the state archaeological department's resort title Melia Zamparai, beginnings of the agrarian society, 4200 year old Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu, resulting in experts pointing out that this placed the Iron Age in the state in the same timeline as the Copper or Bronze Age in other parts. The recently released report by the State Archaeology Department Antiquity of Iron recent radiometrics dates from Tamil Nadu attested to this and has pointed out that when cultural zones to the northern of Vindhyas experienced the Copper Age, those in the south might have entered into the Iron Age already, owing to the limited availability of commercial exploitable copper ore. Target-oriented excavations were initiated by the State Archaeology Department, the Archaeological Survey of India, others in recent years across places such as Sivagalai, Adi Chennalore, Kinla Mandi, and Mela Dumpai in the state to arrive at a panoramic view of the nature of Tamil Nadu's Iron Age. Based on the finding, we have placed the date at 3345 BCA to 2953 BCA. On taking the mean age of this, we can arrive at the conclusion that the Iron Age on Tamil soil started in the BCA quarter of 4th millennium BCA, and archaeology school told the Hindu, while reiterating that this, however, need not pave the way of assertion that the Iron Age originated from Tamil soul itself. With this, the doors for further research into Tamil history and culture have opened up. This is article gist, the main idea. Releasing a report on the antiquity of iron, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M. K. Srini proclaimed that the Iron Age began on Tamil soil. The recently released report by the State Archaeology Department Antiquity of Iron recent radiometric data from Tamil Nadu has pointed out that when culture zones to the north of Vindhyas experienced the Copper Age, thus those in the south might have entered into the Iron Age. Target oriented excavations were initiated by the State Archaeology Department, the Archaeological Survey of India, and other in recent year across places such as Sivagalai, Adi, Chennur, Killa, Mandi, and Meraldi Puriyai to arrive at a panoramic view of the nature of Tamil Nadu's Iron Age. So guys, this is today article. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Press bell icon for notification. Now we meet next lecture or next video. Therefore, Jai Hind. Thanks for watching.